one thing you should know is never self-sabotage yourself into receiving your blessings. Like, never do that. Honestly, always think that you're good enough to receive gifts, blessings, things that are happening good in your life, right? Because I know it may be a stretch to think like, oh, do I really deserve this? My past, blah, 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 blah. Just know that God is going to bless you, and he doesn't want you to push it away. He wants you to embrace it. He wants you to embrace what he gives you, because he got you that for a reason. You know what I mean? And I think a lot of us, I know myself, have like second doubts. I have doubts of when something good happens to me. I'd be like, damn, do I really deserve this? Did I really earn it? But no, I did. I did earn it. And everything that's coming my way, I deserve it. All the blessings, all the goodness, whatever the case may be. Never self-sabotage.
It's easy to sabotage things because of comfortability and because of not feeling worthy enough of what it is that you want, that you desire. We all have a past, right? We see the world for what it is. We tend to think that the things that happened to us in the past are going to repeat again, just with different people. But that's another form of self-sabotaging, because everybody's not the same. Everybody is different. And as you go through your walks of life, you got to learn how to realize that. You got to learn to understand that sometimes the biggest enemy you can face is yourself. Your negative thoughts, your lack of emotional control, your lack of awareness. And I'm going through a period of my life right now where I have to be, hold on, try to make sure the lighting is good. I got to be a lot more in control of myself, I got to be a lot more in control of my emotions and continue to learn throughout this human experience, because I've put in a lot of work day in and day out. I've continued to show up for myself, and I know that life ain't perfect, but I know that if I want to reach the next level of my life, I got to get better as a person. I make plenty of mistakes. I have plenty of flaws. And I'm not downplaying myself. I'm just getting you to understand that I'm not a perfect person. I'm not a perfect individual. And I've been listening to some videos about self-sabotaging. And sometimes we feel as if things could be going quote-unquote too good in your life, or we feel as if tough moments are going to last forever. When things are going good, embrace it, and when things are going tough, learn to appreciate the good days. I don't think life comes with a manual. I don't think life comes with this is how you do this and this is how you create the life for yourself that you want. I also believe that you learn from your own personal experience, and you learn through repetition of your subconscious mind. You feel me? And I'm not even going to front to y'all, bruh. I've been crapped on in my past. I've said plenty of negative things to people. When I get angry, I get mad, I have outbursts, things like that. You know? But I'm truly working on being a better man. I'm truly pointing out the flaws within myself that only I can fix. And you know, when I make these YouTube videos, this is like my form of therapy. And this is my form of keeping myself accountable. I've taken a leap of faith to discover who I am as a person. I'm not a job title. I'm not a YouTuber. I'm not who other people think I am. You feel me? I'm source energy having a 3D human experience. And I'm continuing to learn that this outer world is a reflection of how I feel about myself inside. I'm continuing to learn that there's plenty of more learning that I gotta do as a man in life. You know? And having control over myself, having control over my mentality, being a better steward to the money that I do make, and adding more value to people, and being a better, you know, man, being a better fiance. Those are all things that I have to do, because the universe brings people into your life for a reason. But the universe doesn't tell you to sabotage anything that's brought into your life. Nobody tells you to do that. You do it to yourself. You may think this person is going to hurt you because it's what you see on social media, or because that's what you experience. Some people don't believe in marriages no more. Some people don't believe in love. Some people don't believe in family no more, because of what you probably see with your two eyes, or what you've experienced yourself. But I still have hope. I still have hope. I still have a strong belief. And I know that the only way that those things happen in the 3D is if I work on myself, mentality-wise. It always starts off in your mind. If I feel worthy, and if I learn how to have more respect, not only for myself, but for my relationship. But I can't even say for the people around me, because I don't hang around a lot of people. I have my family, and I have my fiance. That's all I got. And I got this YouTube channel, you know? But I know that, like I say, as a man, I got a lot of work to do, bro. And I never try to come on this YouTube platform and act like I'm perfect. Act like I got all my ducks in a row. I'm a work in progress, you know? And so are you. Still learning how to control my anger. Still learning how to control my emotions. I'm not the greatest at it, bro. I fuck up. I mess up a lot, you know? But God is constantly teaching me. This is why I'm still in my isolation period. You know? And it's my fault. It has nothing to do with other people. I take, you know, full accountability. That's the only way I maintain my power. So I don't blame other people. But I blame the person in the mirror, which is myself. You know? I just feel like, I don't even feel, I know. I know that as a man, got a lot of growing and evolving to do. And I gotta stay focused on, you know, goals that I have set out for myself. I gotta stay focused on the person I'm becoming.
3 weeks ago, you're like, all right, balls
You know?
in action, like court.
You could work years and years and years for something, but the moment you get comfortable, that's when things start going left. So that's another stage of my life that I'm going through right now, is not getting comfortable. Whether it's in my relationship, whether it's with this YouTube channel, whether it's with the amount of money that I'm investing per day. Don't get comfortable with nothing, you know?
Why do you want to be inside on a nice day?
Get uncomfortable. Grow. Work on yourself.
Mommy said we're going to be outside.
Realize that you ain't perfect, bro. Can't walk around this planet like the ish don't stink. Feel me? Can't walk around this planet like you're just this flawless being, because you're not. And you gotta realize that the world, your energy revolves around you, but the world doesn't revolve around you, right? You sharing this planet with a whole bunch of other people. It's 8 billion people out here. You know? So, just holding myself more accountable. And just growing, you know, growing internally. That's all I can do, bro. I can't control the world. I can't control people. I can only control myself. And that's all we can do as men. And for the women out there, that's all you can do too. Control yourself. You can't control how other people treat you, how other people view you. Everybody gonna always have their own perception, but
I meant to ask.
the biggest perception is the one that you have on yourself. You know? So,
Yeah.
trying to make sure the light in this girl.
She could take me on a trip.
Oh my gosh. Well, with that being said, hope y'all have a good day today. Hope y'all been growing spiritually. Hope y'all been growing mentally. And focusing on the things that you can control. And letting go of the things that you can't. With that being said, I'm going to end the video here. Like the video if you gained something from it. Subscribe if you want to. And be sure to leave some comments below.